It's Tuesday, January 27th, and this is the day after the alleged blizzard of the century. Of course, it didn't happen the way everyone said it was going to happen. It was a lot of snow, but not really that much snow. And so we're at 46 and Broadway. We're going to go up Broadway just to see what it's like. And you can see it's really not that bad. No, it wasn't like the snowstorm of 1996 or some of the other major snowstorms where it really shut down the city, where you really got 2.5 feet of snow. Here it was maybe about 10 inches of snow in general in the cities, in the city itself. But it's survivable. So we're really just showing everything here that's going on Broadway and 47th and 46th Street and going up Broadway, just to show everyone how, you know, the major snowstorm that happened really didn't impair the city and really didn't change things that much. But you're always going to have people that want to make things seem more than they are. And I can't blame people. The different politicians have to be careful how they do things and how they're responding to things. They want to be extra careful. That's okay. You know, so here you can see how it is. All nice. Snow plows in action, making sure that everything is working for everyone. And all through the night they started, even before the snow started, they were all out positioned just in case it was going to be a very bad snowstorm. So now there's a number of brave souls out now, and these are people who are not as brave as the souls that were out yesterday evening filming, but people are out just to see what it's like. Also, there are people working. Also, as I mentioned in some earlier videos, there were people put in hotels in Times Square in various areas around the city just in case things got to be really bad. So they wanted to make sure that there was enough people around to do the work today in case the storm was much worse than people thought it was going to be. But this is just a chance for people to see what's going on. So here you have CNBC crew reporting basically on business, you know, but the business of the city is affected by the snow. And you can see a number of the other trucks here too, all positioned just in case it was going to be a really bad day. But it turned out to not be so bad. And again, we're just going up Broadway just to take a look at what everything is like on this day after the storm of the century, which turned out to be the unstorm of the century. And here you can see how things are all functioning. Everything's working out. Buildings are all a go, but many fewer people around right now for obvious reasons. Thanks to this man here, the streets are clean. He knows what he's doing. Look at this, hard work. Thanks to him, all the streets in New York are clear, right?
Yeah, that's it.
You see? At least there's someone around who's willing to take credit for it.
Good morning, sir. Can't help
Good
out
morning.
the today, big guy. Put a little love in your
Good morning to you too.
Can't help out the homeless today, big guy.
Probably tomorrow.
Can't help out the homeless today, ladies and gentlemen.
And again, this is really just to see what it's like the day after. We're just going up Broadway from like 42nd Street to 49th Street, just to take a look to see what actually happened. So, you know, you always hear different things on the news, but this is a local person trying to see how things are. Then we'll take a look back down Broadway and see how things look from here. Now it's looking to Times Square, to 42nd Street. That big tall building is right on 42nd Street. The building with the H&M on the very top, right on 42nd Street. So you can see everything. Everything's functioning. So it's a great day. And I think pretty much business will return to normal again tomorrow. A little slower, but back to normal.